See that creature 3 times now, 4 times.
Da-na-na-na. Da-na-na. What are these little things? They're itty-bitty biters. Gonna blow out all the freaking candles.
You never know.
Gotta pound the ground, pound these fuckers, wait for it, and then bam! Nice call.
Oh yeah.
How convenient. Enter omniscient monkey right on cue.
Well, you know what they say. When the student is ready, the teacher appears.
That's it. No more fortune cookies for you.
I pretty much rock this game.
Itty-bitty biters. Feeling good about this level.
So far, so good. Until we get the freaking red ones.
Really?